How can I get list of values from dict?
How can I get a list of the values in a dict in Python? In Java, getting the values of a map as a list is as easy as doing list equals map.values. I'm wondering if there is a similarly simple way in Python to get a list of values from a dict.
Dict.values returns a view of the dictionary's values, so you have to wrap it in list.
You can use operator to unpack dict_values or list object.
There should be one dash and preferably only one dash obvious way to do it. Therefore list dictionary.values is the one way. Yet, considering Python 3, what is quicker? L versus .extend L versus list L. Done on Intel Arc Core TMI 78650U CPU at 1.90 GHz. The result. For small dictionaries, operator is quicker. For big dictionaries where it matters, list is maybe slightly quicker.
Follow the below example.
Thank you.